Hey guys, Tech Control with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to schedule email on your iPhone so that you can send it later. Also change the scheduled email and also cancel one if you scheduled one. So let's get started. So very first thing is go ahead and open up your mail app on your iPhone. And once you open it up, you want to go ahead and start writing an email. Let's say it's an email that you want to send to someone. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one here, right? And I'm going to start composing it. So write the subject, and let's say this is my email, right, as an example. And in order to schedule it, what you'll need to do is press and hold the arrow upward instead of just clicking it, because if you simply click it and let go, that will just send it right away. But instead, you want to press and hold until the menu pops up to schedule. See, as you can see here, same thing. I just press and hold, and then a menu will pop up which will give you the option to send now, send at 8 a.m. tomorrow, or as you can see here, send later, which allow us to schedule it. So I click on that, and then here, as you can see here, I can select a different time here and a date. So I put a different date, and then the time as well. You can change it to the specific time, AM or PM, and the time zone as well. Make sure you're in the right time zone so it knows which time zone you're in. And then you'll hit done here, and then after that it's been scheduled. And now for me to see what email I have scheduled in my inbox here, I can go back here, right? And as you can see here in my mailboxes, there's a one that tells me send later. So if I click on it, it shows me the email here that will send later. Now in order to delete it, you can go ahead and delete it if you don't want to send it, or you can simply click on it here. And then also go ahead and edit the time if you want a different time, right, that you want to schedule it. So if you need to adjust the time, you can go ahead and adjust it. Or if you simply want to cancel sending it later, you can just click on it. And again, no message has been selected. So now that message is gone, and we have canceled send later as well. So that's how you schedule an email on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. And for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices, make sure that like and subscribe button. See you guys next time.